channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name's Chantler. What's up? Hey girl, hey. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up girl? I missed you. So yeah guys, happy 2021. Welcome to the new year. Welcome to the new, well, this isn't a new, I was about to say welcome to the new channel, but it's not really new, but we have some new things in store this year. If you have read the title, then you already know what today's video is going to be. I have invested in myself and went out and purchased a camera today. So just to give you guys a little like backstory of, you know, what led me to this point. So if you guys do not know, I have been recording and posting YouTube videos since about I would say like 2015. Yes, it's been about 6 years, but it's been 6 inconsistent years. So I blame myself for not being where I needed to be because I wasn't being consistent. I wasn't taking it serious, and I was very shy and closed off to the possibilities of what YouTube could bring to me. But anyways, that's not what y'all are here for. So at the beginning of my YouTube career, I was filming on my MacBook's like FaceTime camera, which everybody knows that's the most horrible quality to film on, but I was getting it done. I made a few videos on there before I decided to start filming on my phone. At the time I was filming on I think at that time it was the iPhone 7. I think it was the iPhone 7. I was filming on that. And then in 2017, I got my first camera. So my first camera was the Canon Rebel T6i. I got it as a Christmas gift, and I was so excited about that video. I was so excited about that camera. I was filming videos on it, and it was like a step up from the quality that I was doing at first. So of course, I was really thrilled. But the more I was filming, the more complications I was having. Like, the Canon Rebel T6i does not have a viewfinder, so I would never know whether or not I was in focus when I was filming. I didn't know, you know, if my lighting was correct, if it was too light or too dark or whatever it was. And it wasn't until I went to edit that I would see that, you know, I wasn't in frame, I wasn't in focus, I wasn't in the right lighting or whatever it was. And you know, that used to make me upset because I used to have to throw away like really good videos and either chunk it up as the L or refilm them because I just couldn't see myself in the Rebel. Also, the lens on that, it was very tight. And when I say tight, like it was close up and you could zoom in and out. I think it was an 18 to 55 millimeter, but it was not like all the other ones. And I guess because I wasn't like camera savvy at the time, I just didn't know how to work it. I didn't know how to like fix my exposure and my lighting and stuff. So to me, I didn't like the camera. But I will say that if you are starting off and you want an affordable camera, that is really good. And also at that time, I wanted to vlog the last years of my college years, but that camera was like super huge to carry around and call myself vlogging. So that was just a no. So from there, I packed that camera up, put it away, and I started using my iPhone 8 Plus. At that time, I had upgraded to 8 Plus, and I was using that. I was using my back camera, and everything was good. I was filming literally all my most recent videos up until 2020. I was filming on that camera. Fast forward to last year, I upgraded my 8 Plus to, actually in 2019, I think I upgraded April 2019. So any video between now and April of 2019, I was filming on my iPhone XR, okay? So I was filming on that, and the quality of those videos were actually really good. Like, a lot of people thought I had a camera. A lot of people thought that they did not think that I was filming on my iPhone. But yes, I was filming on my iPhone for about 2 years. And then I just decided to go buy a camera like literally 3 days ago. So The reason why I bought a camera is because I just wanted to like step up my content this year. I feel like 2021 is that year for my channel, and I don't want to give off any type of content that's not to the type of quality that I prefer to enjoy. Now, that's not saying that nothing's wrong with filming on your iPhone or that you have to have a camera to have a successful channel, because that's absolutely not true. Like I said, have been filming on an iPhone since probably 2016, 2017. So yeah, I'm the last person to say don't use your iPhone for quality, because up until now, I have been using my iPhone, right? So yeah, and I also wanted to get into vlogging. And if you guys watch my vlogging videos, then you know that I felt very uncomfortable holding my phone like while I'm trying to vlog. And I also said in the video that I would rather hold a camera than to hold my phone, because I feel like people look at you less whenever you vlog with a camera than vlogging with your phone. So yeah, I just got something to up my quality, because I think it was time to invest in my channel and invest in myself, and yeah, give you guys the best quality that I can give you within my budget. Okay, this was cheap. Okay, I'm not even gonna cap. Sis was cheap. All right, so I got that camera. I got my camera from Best Buy. You can also get it from Amazon, and there's some other like authorized Canon sellers, but I just got mine from Best Buy because I wanted to get it that day. Like, I was just being impatient. It was nothing serious, like nothing. I just wanted to get it. I just wanted to have it that day. And yeah, so I decided to get that camera. I got the camera, and then I got some other things. Let me show y'all what I got. So first I got two other things. I got this tripod, which I don't know why they put the freaking sticker order pickup. I don't want to show y'all because it got my address on it, but I don't know why they put the order pickup like on top of the display or whatever. But I got this tripod because I have other tripods, but they are really flimsy, and I heard that the Canons that I have, like, if you drop it, sis, it's over with, right? So I wanted to make sure okay, I wanted to make sure that I got something that was going to be super sturdy, and I was going to be able to, you know, use it without my phone or my camera just falling all over the place. So this is what it looks like. I think this is a really cool one. It's like easy to carry in my hand. You can put your camera here, and then they also have the compartment, like you can do it like this, and then if you want to vlog with your phone, you can use it for your phone. And then it also comes with a carrying case, which is super cool, right? So yeah, this is the first thing that I got from Best Buy. The next thing that I got was a SD card. I got it in 64 gigabytes. I probably should have just bought multiple of them, but I'm gonna wait till they go on sale, because these was kind of high. It was like $30-some. But I'm gonna wait to get more. But I know, like, with all the filming that I'm gonna be doing, like, I need to make sure that I have a bunch of these on deck. So I did end up purchasing one of these. All right, and the last thing that I got my camera, guys. This is the Canon G7X Mark II. And I know they have the Mark III. If you guys are watching this video and you're trying to decide between the Mark II and the Mark III, I was reading a lot of reviews, and even though the Mark III is like, it came after the Mark II, the Mark III had a lot of refocusing problems, and you can hear it like ticking in the background, which I hate when I watch videos and you just hear it like as it's trying to focus. So I didn't want to get that. But so this is what I got. This is my camera, guys. I'm super excited. I'm super excited, y'all. Like, this is probably going to be one of my favorite purchases of 2021. At Best Buy, you have two choices of how you want to get it. You can get just the camera and like the body of the camera and a battery, or you can get what they call the content creator kit, and it comes with like an extra battery pack. It comes with another tripod, and it comes with the SD card. But Best Buy did not have that one in stock, and like I said, I was being super impatient, so I just got the camera and bought everything separately. But yeah, so when you open up the box, At the top they have the Canon handbook or whatever, how to get started setting up your camera. They have that. They have a registering, so you can register your Canon, and then I think you have like a warranty on it as well. So if anything goes wrong, you can reach out to them and get it fixed. I did not get like the warranty from Best Buy on this camera, which I should have because I'm clumsy, but I didn't. I don't know, I might go back and add it on there. I think you can do that, but yeah. And then they have another warranty paper just giving you like some details about the camera. All right. And then on the inside you have like the little lanyard that you can put on it so you can wear it around your wrist. There's the charging pack and the battery. And then finally guys, we have the camera, guys. Y'all, this camera. Okay, so this is the camera. Let me just get a little close up for you guys. It is the Canon G7X Mark II. Here it is. You can flip it up so that way you can see right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert the battery so you guys can see what it looks like turned on. And then after that, I will do like a recording on it so that way you guys can see the difference between my iPhone and my camera quality, as well as the mic quality too. So I'm gonna lift this up so you guys can see. But turning her on, this is it. Y'all look at my little setup. So yes guys, this is the camera. I'm super excited. Like, so yeah, the screen is touch screen, like you can touch it and whatnot. You can even see the quality is even better. All right, so let me put my SIM card in. Hold on. All right guys, so this is the side-by-side comparison. As you can tell, the camera is super bright. It's actually one day time I hurry up and do this, but the camera is super bright. I still have to configure it a little bit because I think I look a little red, but the quality of it is very much crisp and you can see everything. Oh my god. Here's the audio as well. Let me make sure that I say enough words so you guys can get a full concept of what the audio what the audio sounds like. So yeah guys, this is the side-by-side comparison of the camera. And yeah, let me give y'all a little, this is in front of the lighting. I actually am super excited to start filming on this camera, guys. Like, this is about to be so lit, okay? So let me just hop back over to my phone and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, I had to switch locations, but this is actually a good filming area too. But yes, that was the side-by-side comparison of my phone and my camera, and I'm super excited to start filming on my camera. Yeah, I feel like this is really gonna push me to start being even more consistent on my channel, because now that I have a camera and I spent all that money, like, I'm gonna have to get my money's worth, you know what I mean? So I feel like I'm gonna be using that camera a lot, and I'm super excited to see all the videos that I'm gonna be shooting on it. And this is just like a stepping stone motivation for me to like just keep working hard so I can continue to level up my content. And I'm super grateful to be in a position where I was able to get a camera. I also want to say thank you guys for tuning into all of my videos and subscribing and telling all your friends to subscribe to my channel, as well as sharing my videos and commenting and liking them. Granted, YouTube didn't like help fund for the camera, but it definitely pushed me to want to get one. So I'm super excited, guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see all the videos that we are about to shoot with this little bitty camera. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions about this particular camera, please leave me some comments in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because we're about to get it popping too, because now that I have a camera, I can take like high quality pictures. But yeah, so if you have any questions, or you want to know different specs about the camera, or you want like an updated like usage of the camera video, I don't know, if y'all want to see more videos or whatever, make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much, so much, so much. Thank you all for watching. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea.